man secretly placed a duck egg under his cat so it would look like she had laid it herself. When the cat saw the egg, she was completely confused and couldn't understand how it could be hers. The man then used a toy to make her believe that the egg had come from under her. After that, the cat stayed close to the egg all the time and tried to keep it warm like a real mother. But when a duckling finally hatched from the egg, the cat was totally shocked and clearly refused to accept it because the baby didn't look anything like a cat. So the man came up with a clever idea and wrapped the duckling in the cat's fur so it would carry a familiar scent. The trick worked, and the cat eventually accepted the little duck as her own baby.